election na khainai বছর বছর বেশি ইলেকশন খাইনি বাকি ত্রিপুরা সরকার সভাপতি বছর বছর বেশি ইলেকশন খাইয়াকে তোমার ত্রিপুরা সরকার সভাপতি বেশি ইলেকশন না খাই নাই বেশি ইলেকশন না খাই নাই 1.5 মিলিয়ন পিস পাস না খাই নাই খাইকে সভা চলে নাই সভা কত চলে নাই সভা কত চলে খা বুবা গুরালাম লেপ বুবা গুরালাম লেপ Cinema Thailand sound bagus sunke puno kiriya. Cinema Thailand sound bagus sunke puno lasia. Buba gerak lopo. Di perasa ayo lopo. Ayo kon ti sate buba gerak ayo lopo. Ayo kon nak le. Buba gerak ayo lopo. Di perasa
State government of Tripura, our party, and the central government. That you all the officers and the Triprasas, all the entire citizens of Triprasa, you all are aware of it. Second agenda is conduct of village committee elections. See, it has been left out in the last 4-5 years, and officially you all are also finding it very difficult to implement the schemes as per the guideline you have to follow. And there is no elected members in the BC, so there is a lot of disputes. Many times you all have to intervene. So all of us know the improper implementation of the government schemes because of the unconduct of the election since for the many years. Our third agenda is immediate passage of the 125th Amendment Bill to the Indian Constitution, which was in 2019 based in Rajya Sabha. Now very early Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha winter session is going to take place. So through you, we are placing this memorandum to our Honorable Governor of Tripura. His sign has been placed to the central government. So I request on behalf of our party.
Daki implement mak lại đây. Xin mong thầy nào rồi ăn cái daki đi bao implement mak lại đây. Xin mong thầy nào mất ở đây.
Bây giờ buba gerana ni khoro pamoi kolombo. Tini chang haste gerangoi, Tripura haste gerangoi sing tini omor go RD block go. Chang dunia hopone 1000 borok nai. Chang chiri dabi no bana ni bagai, chang derbodir chatok jagai chang je tongmani. Chini dabi no chang mana ni bagai chini jo to thonlai deputation bija. Keu deputation ni chini demand kha tinta agenda bisingo daite bisi election khainani rajya sarkar tai je chini Triprasa ekor boro daite bastobayan khainani kendra hafang tai chini 125th amendment bono bahaina daite kendra hafang khainani bagai chini ro puthulaija jeng bellai kene safarung dongla jeng bisi election khaijage na bagai chini adhikar jeng kichafan khaimaliya bellai ke bonchi togo jeng togo hani bang rajya sarkar bono daite ni bisi election khaiten haine rajya sarkar ni thani jeng tini oro block ni through rajya pala thangje hone jeng tini oro deputation
abo kacung syarat Triprasa ni ekor sing tini syarat Tripura ni block ko tai one ke Triprasa ekor mungkin chini bisi election tai 3 mungkin chini edisi area direct funding no wani abono piu chini syarat Tripura wo mutahai no tabo to jaga block oro bibag jaga no tabo cholai tamo deputation cholai tamo abone bawe syarat Tripura jone ani Triprasa joto Tripura tabo no belai na hambai marawo aini bagoi chi Omorpur ni RD block osung tabo Triprasa ekor ne bangai deputation joto na hambai